my sweet life. This is Sweetie Dongol and today we are here at Utpala Cafe with Aisha. र हामी कहिले पनि farmers market visit गरेको छैनौं. This is our first time, so let's see how it goes. So guys, that was the parking र हामी ठ्याक्कै सिधा जाने. I'll try to give you the tour of the cafe and farmers market also. And if you guys like to come here, do visit. कस्तो हुन्छ, let's see. My type. Is this a nursery? Oh, okay. Wow. Ramailo ni. So the farmers market starts.
You तपाईको फुडी त्यस्तो के हो आजकल एकदम तपाईको
YouTube lifestyle channel.
So how do you like the cookies? Good. It's Yum Bakery हजुर. You're taking अझ के चाहियो अरे choco chips. Choco chips. Thank you.
के दिन्छस्? Oh, that's nice. What's this? मेथी नाम राम्रो नि मेथी होइन त्यो नाइस नि सो हामी त्यहाँबाट एन्टर गऱ्यौँ एन्ड दिस इज द होल भ्यू यो त्यो पछि चाहिँ आई गेस यहाँ पनि छ एउटा एन्ट्रान्स एन्ड हामी यहाँबाट जान्छौँ अब
हाम्रो चाहिँ सबै ह्यान्ड ओभन प्रडक्ट्सहरू सबै ह्यान्डमेड काममा बनेको प्रडक्टहरू हाम्रो प्लान्ट टाइपको हामी अर्ग्यानिक कटन र नेचुरली डाइट गर्न खोजेको पुरा केमिकल फ्री भनेर हामी यसमा भित्र ब्ल्याक कलरको एकदम हार्ड कलर राखेको
So that was the entrance. You can see so many local handmade products, shops. There you can see some kurtis. And मलाई interesting लागेको चाहिँ लिन मिल्छ?
सबै सेम साइज हो कि ठुलो सानो हुन्छ
ठुलो सानो हुन्छ अघिकै राम्रो छ पिङ्कवाला यताबाट रुट्स निस्किने हो यसको So guys, we bought this.
त्यो त अब तपाईँको अब कति फल कति ब्लड फल हुन्छ त्यो अनुसार हुन्छ
नर्मल चाहिँ नर्मलमा
चाहिँ लाइक 4 आवर्स हुन्छ
अनि यो स्टेन हुने हुन्छ कि जान्छ कि
जान्छ यो तर तपाईँले चाहिँ अब नाइटमा त प्रोसेस देखाइछ वेट गर्नुपर्छ तर यसले एकदमै राम्रो घाममा चाहिँ राम्रोसँग सुकाउनु पर्छ
सर्ट ड्रेस हुन्छ तँलाई त्यो
It's too big.
त्यो velvetको इट्स अ ड्रेस राम्रो नि के होइन के अरे wrap around होला. So guys, it's currently 10 o'clock and we decided to visit a nursery and we checked out a nursery. So the thulos I want to buy more plants. त्यही भएर हामी यहाँ आएको छौँ. This is so good. So pretty. हेरौँ के पाउँछ. Oh, what's that? Lotus pond. कुन चाहिँ प्लान्ट लिन आँटेको? त्यही लिने? सेम होइन र त्यो?
एउटामा काँडा धेरै हुन्छ एउटामा खान्छ.
उयोले नि त काँडा नभएको.
सेम हो है. त्यसरी भुइँमा रोप्यो भने किन हुन्छ हो?
आफै प्रोपागेट भएर आउँछ जस्तो लाग्यो. Back from the market and it's haul time now. Currently we are at Golden Eye Cafe and it's in Baudha. You can see the view is superb. हामीले भर्खर breakfast गर्यौं and it's currently 11:30 र अति रमाइलो भएको थियो. Overall experience भन्नुपर्दाखेरि this was our first time in a local farmers market and we had a great time. त्यहाँनिर यति धेरै स्टल्सहरु थियो. We were selling bakery items, handmade jewelries and handmade foods and organic vegetables हरुदेखि लिएर sanitary napkins हरुदेखि लिएर plants हरु and there are like so many like items that were organic and that were local, so it's really good to promote local goods and we had awesome time over there. And हामीले अलि सामान लिएको छौं that I wanted to show you guys. It's haul time now and let's dig into these. And we had bought cards. म यसको इन्फर्मेसन्सहरु चाहिँ तल डिस्क्रिप्सनमा लिंक गरिदिन्छु. तपाईहरुलाई केही मन पर्यो अथवा भिजिट गर्नु मन छ भने उत्पाला क्याफेको पनि लोकेसन तल लिंक गरिदिन्ला. So first item we went on and bought were these bakery cookies and brownies. So हामी त्यहाँ टेस्ट गरे हेरेको थियौँ. It was really delicious with the we bought the cards also and this is from Yum Bakery, Thai homemade cakes and cookies. My numbers पनि तल लिस्ट गरिदिन्छु. कार्ड्सहरु हामीसँग भएको जतिको. Now these were 150 rupees each, affordable, मिठो थियो. And त्यहाँबाट ठ्याक्क भित्र जाँदाखेरि there was one store and they were selling these handmade jewelry items. मैले दुईटा किने. One is this pretty turquoise bracelets जुन चाहिँ मैले डेली युजको लागि किनेको थिएँ. यसरी यो घरसँग लाउनको लागि. Looks nice. र अर्को is this beautiful earring. र यस्तो खालको earring चाहिँ मैले Pinterestमा धेरै देखेको थिएँ. So yeah, I like this. यो दुईटा एलिमेन्ट्सबाट बनेको छ जस्तो लाग्यो. Copper and these white stones and they are like really simple, elegant, daily use ko lagi huncha त्यही भएर I bought these. So these were for 250 rupees and this bracelet was for 150 rupees. So the next item is त्यो भन्दा अलिकति भित्र जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ there is this open space अघि तपाईले भिडियोमा पनि देख्नुभयो होला. And so this store को नाम is Kamanda Accessories and we bought these. This one's for Dilasa अनि यसमा चाहिँ pink color को beads छ अनि यसको के भन्छ यसलाई sign चाहिँ it's tortoise. So yeah, we bought these and this ठ्याक्कै opposite मा side मा by the way there was this store जहाँनिर चाहिँ मुस्ताङको special pulsesहरु, जिम्बुजहरु अरु त्यो हुन्छ food itemsहरु चाहिँ थियो र आइशा bought these. यो चाहिँ सिमीको दाल जस्तो kind of हो अनि this was like 1 kgs and it was for 400 rupees. Yeah. र त्यो पछि चाहिँ त्यसको ठ्याक्क opposite मा there was one के भन्ने store जहाँनिर चाहिँ प्लान्ट्सहरु बेचिरहेको थियो अनि there was like rare plants अनि mainly indoors पनि थियो अनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ मैले string of pearls किनेको थिएँ. त्यो चाहिँ अहिले टिकीमा पर्यो and that was for 350 rupees and it's like really good. That was one of my bucket list. I bought that plant and after all these things there was this big nursery जुन चाहिँ हामी गयौँ हैन. We both love plants त्यही भएर yeah. So these are the plants, one for Aisha and one for me. I don't know हामीलाई थाहा छैन यसको नाम थाहा छ तपाईलाई थाहा छैन. So yeah. And this one was for 100 rupees each. Sasto थियो, राम्रो थियो. We bought these. So that was the items that we bought from the farmers market and the overall experience as I told you was really great. तपाईहरुलाई केही सामान मन परिरहेको छ भने चाहिँ I'll definitely link the हुन्छ नि links or their Instagram ID in the description box below हेर्नु होला. These type of markets are currently helping a lot for local handmade organic कुराहरुलाई हामीले support गर्न सकेको छौं and that is a big deal जस्तो लाग्छ किनभने most of the time we are spending a lot of money in foreign products and imported products and better than that I think these type of markets are good. अनि हामीले चाहिँ हेल्प गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो लागिरहेको छ मलाई अनि नट जस्ट इन उत्पाला क्याफे आई हेभ हर्ड लट अफ दिस टाइप अफ फार्मर्स मार्केट इन ले शेर्पा अगेनोमा छ झम्सिके ब्रिटिस स्कुलको अगाडि होला होइन डेफिनेटली तपाईँहरूलाई आई गेस आई वुड रिकमेन्ड टु भिजिट दिस टाइप अफ मार्केट्स वान्स एन्ड दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट एक्सपिरियन्स मलाई चाहिँ असाध्यै रमाइलो भयो किनभने मोस्टली आई युज टु स्पेन्ड माई विकेन्ड्स घरमै र आज बिहान बिहान उठ्यो एन्ड यु नो इट्स जस्ट सो रिफ्रेसिङ र दिस भ्यू इज दि cherry on the top जस्तै भयो and it's so much fun अनि like soulको लागि कस्तो soothing भइरहेको छ and I hope you guys liked today's video and yeah I mean I'm sorry this is the first time we are shooting outdoors and first experience Aisha is in back camera I hope you guys liked today's video guys I will be seeing you in my next video and this guys I will be seeing you in my next video till then bye bye and don't forget to subscribe to this channel hit that like button and share this video with your family and friends bye bye